don't always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go ahead and do the last Supreme unboxing for this season. Obviously next season we're gonna come back with some more Supreme content for y'all. I am gonna try to make it a little bit of a twist next season, so make sure you stay tuned for that. If you guys have any video ideas, leave it in the comments below. Slap a like on this video if you do end up enjoying this one. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. And hey, without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we don't have that many pickups, to be honest. I have two packages that I want to go through today. I put them in the little bag for the clickbait or whatever, the thumbnail. But I have this package right here, which actually does have two pieces. They literally sent me two regular box logo stickers. I don't know what's going on, but lately they just been cheap with it. Like, they literally just been sending red box logo stickers, nothing else. But in this package we have two pieces that I want to go over with you guys. First, we have the case, which is actually the Bowery case. I did actually open this, but I put it in the package for you guys to be able to see the whole experience. It basically comes in this little package. You take it out, and once you pull this out, you do have the actual case right here. That's literally all it is. Bowery design on a case. I feel like this is actually pretty sick. I love the way that it feels, the way that they did it. Even the inside has a little Supreme box logo, but they definitely killed it with this case. I love the way it feels and the way it looks on the phone. It's just fire. This is the 12 Pro. I believe this came up to like $60, something like that, which low-key is the same price as an Apple case, but this one kind of feels better than the actual Apple case. That one's more rubberized. This one feels a little bit more sturdy, but it still does have that sleekness of the actual Apple case. I do know that there's gonna be another iPhone releasing soon, so that's kind of but at the end of the day, fire case, not gonna lie to y'all. If you are in need of one, I'd probably just go ahead and pick that one up. Second up, we have the Augustus Pablo T in like this minty color. As you can see, it's like a greenish, bluish, minty type vibes on it. I'm probably just gonna open it across the seams and show you guys what it looks like. I'm debating on if I'm gonna keep this one or not. I feel like this is a fire ass color. That might be the only reason I keep it. And the fact that it does have the twin towers on it kind of is pulling my attention a little bit. As you can see, that minty colorway right there is beautiful. It doesn't do it justice on the video. Just trust me when I tell you that it is a beautiful color. You have that little red Supreme box logo on the corner. I honestly don't know who these guys are, but I just love the way that the actual piece looks. It almost looks like a faded type design on the people on it. It's like almost blurred out, and I think it's solid, bro. Definitely a fire piece to add to your collection. This minty green colorway is everything. I don't have any tees from Supreme in this specific colorway, so I'm really excited to wear this. This for sure is a fire piece. I would honestly go ahead and pick this up. I feel like as time goes on, this one will go up in value simply because it has that nostalgia feel with the twin towers on it. It has the small red box logo on the corner, which is subtle branding that I love. The second package is right here, and as you can see, my girl low-key slit this one open. I haven't seen it in person too closely, but I am excited about this one. And hey, two more regular box logos. Once again, Supreme being cheap with the stickers this season. We do have the Anarchy tee in the black colorway, size XL. I do want to go ahead and try this one out. Low-key, I feel like everything I picked up I'm keeping in the collection. I feel like this season I bought things that I was actually gonna keep, but we do have this Anarchy tee, and I love what they did with this one. If you guys don't know, Supreme had a piece that was like this that they released a minute ago, but it was more tight, and it was actually part of their tops instead of a regular tee, so that one was a little bit more expensive. I love the way that it has different colors on this, so you could kind of play with what you wear with it as well, so that's fire. I haven't really bought too many black tees this season, but I feel like this one was one that would look better in this colorway. I was low-key trying to buy this either in this colorway or the cream, if I'm not mistaken, they came out with. Let me know what y'all thought about this tee. A lot of people slept on it, but I definitely wasn't. It's just something subtle you could throw on some cream shorts and any one of these color sneakers, and you're vibing, bro. I might go ahead and try this on in a little bit for y'all. So this next portion of the video is actually sponsored by Prosperity Watches. They actually sent me this package right here, and I love the fact that they have their print on the front of the actual bag. That's fire. Check out Prosperity_Watches on Instagram. But let's go ahead and see what they sent us. You have this right here, which is basically a thank you for your support card with Kiara on it. Shout out to Kiara for sending me this watch, but this is a 15% off code, Prosper15. Go ahead and check out their site. It's actually fire. But the watch does come in this box right here, which is clean. It's like a vintage style jewelry box with a little clock on it. Right here, you take this off and you do have this beautiful looking watch. It says Prosperity on the inside, has like this light blue hand on it, which is so fire. I like the way that this is like a tannish color. I don't know if you guys can see the right tones, but it's like a tannish beige, dark beige gray type color. I don't know, it's beautiful. The inside of the face is basically like this washed gray color, if you guys can see right there. It has that Prosperity branding on there as well, and then on the back of the watch you have Prosperity. One of my favorite things about this watch is the fact that you can literally wear this as an everyday piece. I don't know too much about watches, but this is fire. I was honestly afraid from the pictures that it was gonna be too big for my wrist, but this is perfect. So this is what it looks like on my arm. I have a pretty skinny wrist and I just love the way that it looks. It looks so clean. This is like an everyday watch. You can wear it casually. You can wear it to go out with the button up. It's just honestly sick. I feel like this is like a grown man watch. Like, bro, if you wear this with like a nice little button up, suited and booted, you're gonna look real nice. But they have an endless amount of options. They have these bands, then they also have like the stainless steel bands as well. You should definitely go on their website. I'm gonna leave it linked at the top of the description. And major shout out to Kiara for sending me this. Do not forget, if you're gonna shop on their website, the code, bro, 15% off. Quality on this is A1. It's almost like a suede, but it's not suede. I don't know what it is. Come on, bro, look at the watch. Shout out to Prosperity Watches for sponsoring this segment of the video. Thank you so much for showing love to the channel. Make sure you guys go ahead and check them out. So I know y'all weren't expecting this pretty face, but me and baby girl actually just went to the Supreme store and I did end up picking up this hat right here. So this is actually the last item that I got for the season. It's just a black strip, almost like reminds me of the Gucci chain. If you can see right here, this has like the interlocking design or whatever, and this gives me like the similar vibes. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I could definitely see it.
Oh snap, there's S logos all over it. I didn't even notice that.
You didn't know that? It's like interlocking S logos. Then it has the Supreme on the back. I just wanted to show y'all real quick. This is my last pickup of the season. This wasn't even supposed to happen, but shout out to Bebe for taking me to the Supreme store today. I do want to go ahead and talk about basically everything that's going on. I feel like since Supreme season is done, I do want to go ahead and make some different type of content for you guys. It's all in what you guys want to see. I know that a lot of people are looking for sneaker content nowadays, and honestly, as you can see behind me, I love sneakers. Like, I've loved sneakers since I was a kid. I did start my channel based on Supreme because I saw that there's a market there, but besides that, I did love the brand and I still do love Supreme, but I feel like the content can get a little bit stale. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If you see me posting 2-3 vids a week and it's all about Supreme, it's probably because I'm tired of like the same repetitive type of shit. But in all honesty, I feel like I wouldn't really stir or deter myself from making that type of content because that's what got me here. That's what you guys like to see, and I understand it. Sometimes I post a video that I really like and it'll get 300 views, but if I post a dookie ass Supreme drop list where the items suck, that shit'll still get 1,500, 2,000, sometimes even more. So I understand that that's what you guys want to see, and I do like making that kind of content. Don't get me wrong, I will keep doing it as well, but I do want to introduce more and more sneakers so that you guys out there who do love Supreme, I'm pretty sure you like buying sneakers too. I'll probably be making like how to cops, what's dropping, the best sneakers to invest in, and that kind of stuff as well. There's some series that I'm trying to make happen that I'm not really gonna mention until I make this shit happen because I want to officially do it. But there's a lot of shit happening in my life right now and I'm excited to bring you guys along the journey. If you see some vlogs here and there, make sure you go ahead and show love to it. I appreciate each and every time you guys show love to the channel. You guys don't even understand how much you guys are valued to me. Most of the things I do wouldn't be possible without you guys, to be honest. So thank you so much for coming through and just showing some love. Even if you just watch the videos and don't leave a like, bro, thank you for coming through. That's all that matters. But if there's anything you guys would like to see on the channel, whether it's anything, bro, like literally anything, let me know. I feel like next Supreme season, I'm gonna be posting a drop list. If there's a live cop, a live cop. Whenever I have some packages to unbox, I'll probably incorporate my Supreme with other packages like I always do. And then I'll have a couple videos each week that have probably nothing to do with Supreme. One is gonna be like sneaker related, whether it's investing or something around that nature, sneakers releasing, something like that. If I bought a pair of kicks, I'll do a review on it. Everything, bro. I'm trying to cover everything. And then I'll also have my hyped releases for the week, which is basically gonna cover upcoming hype sneakers, leaks, and all that kind of stuff. Also streetwear. I want to go ahead and mesh both. I feel like it's always one side. Like it's either you're doing Supreme or streetwear or you're doing sneakers. I want to go ahead and just mesh both because if you like sneakers, sneakers, you like clothing, and that's just the way that it is. But if you guys did end up enjoying this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. This is not the last time I post Supreme. Trust me, I'm gonna keep doing it, but I also want to add other shit to it as well. But thank you guys for always coming through, man. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.